Good morning, Miss Mary Jane Grace Pilayo Arellano. I'm Julie V. Milicio, the researcher, and my section is Dabet Batch 2. Then, I'm going to present my research. The title research is the difference between using decomposed manure and carbonized rice hull in growing eggplant or Solanum melogena in RTCK PBT Davao. Background of study. Eggplant is widely grown in the Philippines. It's aimed for important source of income for farmers. It grows well tropical climate like Davao. To improve reproduction, farmers use organic materials such as decomposed manure and carbonized rice hull. Decomposed manure is rich in nutrients that help plants grow faster and produce more fruits. On the other hand, carbonized rice hull improves soil instruction, making it more suitable for root growth. Understand the difference between these two materials will help farmers choose the most effective method to increase eggplant yield. So, ang farmer daw kay nagamit sila og organic material such as decomposed manure and carbonized rice hull. Ang decomposed manure kay taas siya nutrients na makatabang sa plant o paspas daw yung pagtubo. And on the other hand, ang carbonized rice hull improve siya soil structures in making the more stable for root growth. Research objective 1. To compare the plant growth using decomposed manure and carbonized rice hull. 2. To measure the yield of eggplant in each treatment. And 3. To identify which material is more effective for farmers. Scope and limitation. This study compares the effects it decomposed goat manure and carbonized rice hull on the growth of eggplant in RTCK PBTC Davao. Evaluate the plant growth based on the plant height, number of leaves, stem, and diameter of number of fruits. The study aimed to determine which organic material is more effective for eggplant production. This studies only compared decomposed manure and carbonized rice hull. It conducted only in RTC KPBTC Davao and focuses on eggplant during one growing season. Other factors such as weather, pests, diseases, and different soil conditions were not included in and may have affected the result. Review of related literature or RRL. ANODA in 2024 found that ang carbonized rice hull can nag-improve sa soil condition o support sa healthy seedling growth than decomposed goat manure. So, BIA in 2019 evaluate that manure-based growing media for eggplant. In Fermin 2025 study that carbonized rice hull as planting substrate and conclude that it improves moisture and aeration and root development, promoting healthier plant growth. Naugayan in 2021 found that carbonized rice hull improves soil aeration and drainage, contributing to better plant growth. Research design in methodology. So, this study used experimental design with two reflection each treatment. So, ang treatment 1 kay nagbutang tag soil o decompose. So, ato siyang gisagol. Then, treatment 2, so soil and carbonized rice hull. Same lang yapon ato siyang gisagol. Key finding result. Ang carbonized rice hull produce better overall eggplant growth than decomposed goat manure. Okay. And carbonized rice hull improves soil aeration, drainage, and moisture retention, creating better condition for root development. So, decomposed goat manure nag-provide siya nutrients pero ang resulta kay hinay kay siya og plant growth and lower yield under the condition of the study. Overall, ang carbonized rice hull was the more effective growing medium for eggplant in RTC KPBTC Davao. Discussion and analysis. The results show that ang carbonized rice hull kay mas better siya produce sa eggplant than decomposed goat manure. Plant growth with the carbonized rice hull has a greater height and more leaves and higher fruit yield because it supplies essential nutrients needed for plant development and provides soil aeration and drainage. In contrast, decomposed goat manure provided fewer nutrients when used alone. So, moto hinay kayo ang pagpatubo kung gamiton nimo ang goat manure kaysa sa rice hull. Conclusion and recommendation. These studies compare the effect of decomposed goat manure and carbonized rice hull on eggplant growth. Carbonized rice hull produce better plant growth and higher yield than decomposed goat manure. Therefore, ang carbonized rice hull was more effective for growing eggplant under the condition of the study. Use carbonized rice hull as soil amendment for eggplant production, considering combining carbonized rice hull with organic fertilizer to further improve growth and yield. RTC KPBTC may use the study's findings in training on sustainable vegetable production. Further, researchers should test different application rates and combination of carbonized rice hull and decomposed goat manure and evaluate their effect on the vegetable crop. So, references. Anoda 2024 growth performance of eggplant using organic substrates such as vermicast and carbonized rice hull in Mindanao. Journal of Science and Technology. PIA in 2019 effect of manure-based growing media growth and yield eggplant capri stage university and journal. Nagoyan 2021 effect on carbonized rice hull and organic fertilizer and plant growth yield Asian Journal of Agriculture and Horticulture Research. Fermin 2025 carbonized rice hull as a substrate to improving plant growth and soil condition ResearchGate of publication. Open for question. Thank you. And that's all.